this right here is for a MetaQuest 3. This MetaQuest 3. So usually I would say to take this out, but I don't see it necessary at this point. So I'm just gonna loosen it up so it doesn't get in the way. And then to take it out, all we have to do is just kind of squeeze it out. It just pops out. So what I did there just to show you was just squeeze this, then you pop it out. Because it does right here grip onto your MetaQuest. So that's how this works. So this is the original one. This is the one that we just bought. You guys can see the differences between the original and the one that we bought. So this is the upgraded version. Then to install it, again, we would just have to just pop this in like so. I'm just gonna push it and it's secure. So it's very easy to install. And there's the nose piece that we could put there. However, I'm not gonna put it myself because I don't need it. I don't see it necessary. So I'm not gonna put that. But that's how this looks. So you guys can appreciate exactly how this will look if you install it. And again, it is squishy. I'm gonna make a review later on about this. That's how it looks. Now during this video, I did put this on briefly just to see how it feels, and it felt fine. So that's just the first impression, not a real review. Real review comes after a few weeks of using this and making sure it actually works properly and there's no defects to it. But other than that, that would be it for this video. If you guys have any comments, questions, you guys can write down here in the comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Thank you.